and welcome to Questions with Sir. I don't know what is with this speed thing. One of my students asked me, Sir, what is the fastest man-made thing? Okay, I'll answer you. But we'll start first from the things on Earth. So, the fastest thing on Earth is NASA X-43A pilotless plane, which flies amazingly 11,000 kilometers an hour. When we first wanted to go to the moon, we needed someone to go around it and see how it can be done. We sent the first manned spaceship around the moon. It was called Apollo 10. It just went there, got caught by moon gravity and flung back to Earth at amazing 40,000 kilometers per hour. In 1977, we decided to look what is at the edge of our solar system and beyond. NASA launched a probe called Voyager 1. That probe is currently more than 22.5 million kilometers away from Earth, past Pluto and Kuiper Belt, and is in the interstellar space. Its speed is currently 61.2 thousand kilometers an hour. These speeds are unachievable on Earth, so we need to go to space again. Another exploration vessel is Galileo probe, which was sent to explore the weather on Jupiter. It flew around for some time and then the scientists decided to crash it into Jupiter. Well, it never crashed on Jupiter because its atmosphere is so dense that it crashed it inside. The moment of losing contact with the probe, it flew at the speed of 174,000 kilometers an hour. We saw that these objects, which are caught by the gravity of a celestial body, get faster and faster because gravity is caused by a curvature of space. We get this acceleration. If we flew in a straight line, we could get to a certain speed. But if we get into a gravity well of an object, we can accelerate more and more and more. The more massive the object is, the faster we will go. So, around the moon, we go at this speed. Around Jupiter, speed increases as the space curves more. And around the sun, the space is so curved that we get to the next contestant and the fastest thing that the human being made. And it's called Parker's Solar Probe, which flies at 343,000 kilometers an hour and getting faster and faster and faster. Why? Because the sun is so massive that its gravity is constantly speeding up this probe. One thing that humans didn't make, but they actually accelerated it, is an electron in a huge particle accelerator built in Switzerland in CERN. So scientists in CERN managed to get the electron to go almost at the speed of light, which is 1,080,000,000 kilometers an hour. This electron was flying 1,079,300,000 kilometers an hour, almost at the speed of light. Why we can't go at the speed of light? Every particle, everything that has mass cannot go at the speed of light. And then you ask me, why does light travel at the speed of light, which is carried by something called photon? It's not a particle, it's kind of a mixture of a particle and wave, so it doesn't have the speed limit. I hope you liked this episode of Questions with Sir. Keep the questions coming and see you on the next one. Bye!